Did you know your phone can turn the world into a video game? With just a camera, you can see dragons flying over your backyard or ghosts hiding in your living room. Today, we're explaining augmented reality at 5 completely different levels, from kids to seniors. By level 5, you'll understand something most engineers don't think about. Imagine if your toys could come to life. Augmented reality is like magic that turns your phone into a portal to another world. It's like sending a message to your phone that says, "Hey, show me a dinosaur right here." And your phone says, "Sure," and makes it appear in front of you. You can try it with games like Pokémon GO, where you walk around and catch digital creatures that look like they're hiding in the real world. But how does it really work? Let's go deeper. Augmented reality uses your phone's camera and sensors to understand where you are and what you're looking at. Then it adds digital stuff right on top of the real world. It's like when you play a video game and the screen updates in real time. AR does the same thing, but instead of a screen, it uses your phone's camera to show the game in the real world. 20 million people use AR every day for shopping, gaming, and even learning. Some apps let you try on clothes or see how furniture looks in your room before you buy it. Now let's see what's actually happening under the hood. At its core, AR uses algorithms, special sets of instructions, to track your phone's position and orientation in real time. It also uses something called SLAM, which stands for Simultaneous Localization and Mapping. SLAM helps your phone understand where it is in space and what's around it. This is how AR can place digital objects in the right spot and keep them there as you move. AR hardware is getting better too. Companies like Apple and Microsoft are building AR glasses that can project full-color holograms directly into your field of vision, no screen required. But the real impact goes far beyond the technology itself. Augmented reality is changing industries. In 2025, surgeons used AR to guide a heart transplant in real time, with zero physical tools. They used digital overlays to see exactly where to place the new heart. In retail, AR is helping people try on clothes, see how furniture looks in their home, and even test drive cars without leaving the house. But with all this power comes responsibility. AR raises questions about privacy, security, and how we interact with the digital world. Who owns the data from your AR experiences? And now, the perspective only time can give. Augmented reality is part of a long line of technological revolutions. It's like the internet, smartphones, and virtual reality all rolled into one, but with a twist. Just like the internet changed how we communicate, AR is changing how we see the world. It's not just about games or shopping. It's about how we experience reality itself. What will future generations think of our early AR experiences? Will they look back at Pokémon GO the way we look back at the first video games? And what does this teach us about innovation? That the most powerful technologies are the ones that change how we see the world and ourselves. Which level changed how you think about augmented reality?